Good day, and welcome to the PSG Wealth Local Solutions webinar for the month of December 2023. We will start off by looking at how markets performed over the month. The South African stock market ended the year on a positive note. The Aussie was up 2%, largely led by listed property, as well as financials, which are up 9.90% and 5.54% respectively. The SA government's 10-year borrowing rate followed global interest rates lower, ending the month at 11.4% per annum, reaching its lowest point since May. The ALBI was up 1.49%, ALBI 1 to 3 years was up 1.10%, and the ALBI 3 to 7 years was up 1.25%. Now let's take a look at how our local solutions performed in light of this. The quartile ranking table looks at our solutions compared to peers, with the black squares representing the minimum investment periods. Here we see that the PSG Wealth Enhanced Interest, PSG Wealth Preserver, and PSG Wealth Creator continue to be in the first quartile for the minimum investment periods. The PSG Wealth Income and Moderate funds are currently placed in the second quartile. We also see that our local funds have achieved first or second quartile ranking for all relevant investment periods. Next, let's take a look at the top and bottom performers of our underlying managers for each of the funds. For the Enhanced Interest Fund, top performer was the Net Group Invest Core Income Fund, with the bottom performer being PSG Enhanced Interest Fund. Looking at the Income Fund, we have PSG Diversified Income, which came out tops, whilst My Plan Enhanced Income was the worst performing. For the Preserver Fund, we have the PSG Stable as a top performer, whilst 91 Cautious Managed lag behind. Looking at the Moderate Fund, we have PSG Balanced in the top spot, with 91 Opportunity Fund in the bottom position. And lastly, looking at the Creator, Coronation Equity was a top performer, with Fair Tree Equity being the bottom performer. We also have a few funds that are on our quantitative radar screen, the first being M&G Inflation Plus, which is held in the Preserver Fund of Funds. 91 Managed is on the quantitative radar, whilst M&G Balanced is on the qualitative radar. Both funds are held in the Moderate Fund of Funds. And lastly, under the PSG Wealth Creator Fund of Funds, Fair Tree was added to the radar screen. That is it from us today. Thank you very much for tuning in, and see you next time.